Hello. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this look right here. Well, no, just kidding, not really this look. I'm going to be showing you how I contour and highlight. I use cream contour, powder contour to create this look that I have right here. Highlight clearly. So yeah, if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not really interested on a full-on detailed of how I do it, you can go to my Instagram. I posted an IGTV that's much shorter, much quicker, and without me talking, in case you think my voice is annoying. So thank you so much. Hope you enjoy. I'm trying to look a little bit decent, like while doing this intro with no makeup. Girl, you look scary. Hello. So today I'm gonna be doing a cream contour and highlight look on my face. I genuinely don't wear makeup much this quarantine, not like this anyways, not a full foundation highlight cream contour look, but for the sake of this video and this tutorial, I'm gonna do it right now. Now, as I've always said, I'm not a professional makeup guru. I would consider I'm pretty decent at doing makeup, so I'm just gonna show you what works for me. But if you do this and it doesn't work for you, I'm really sorry. Go look at another tutorial of someone who's actually a pro, and don't yell at me, just don't, okay? Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a more like in detail tutorial here where I like kind of explain, I guess, or am I gonna explain? I don't know. I don't know, we're just gonna roll with it. If you want like a quicker tutorial, I'm gonna be leaving one on my Instagram on IGTV, which is just gonna be like a little quick snap to here, to here, to here, to here, to here. Go look over there if you don't want to hear me yapping, because here you're gonna hear me yapping, because I like to yap. I'm really new at this whole video thing, posting my stuff, so I don't really know what way to go with it. Like, I don't know if to focus more on Instagram and grow there, because I really like YouTube as well. Like, I would like to, you know, just focus 100% on YouTube, but I'm starting to realize that it's a bit more complicated. So if you're watching this and you just stumbled upon this on YouTube and you're not coming here for my Instagram, I ask you to please go to my Instagram and follow me, because I post videos there as well. So today I'm gonna be starting off with my Honest Beauty primer. This is the glow one, the Everything Primer Glow. I always check it up, man, check it up. I haven't stopped using any of my Honest Beauty products since I tried them out in my last video, and that's the facts. I think I'm gonna skip showing you how I do my foundation and stuff. If you're interested in how I apply this foundation, you can go to my Honest Beauty review. So there we go. That is that. I have my foundation on. So there we go. I have my foundation on. I just want to say that I actually applied it differently this time. I didn't use a brush. I used my hands, and I am loving how it looks. It's more on the natural side, but since I'm doing a cream contour and I'm going heavy in with the, well, you know, with the contour and the highlight, I figured I wanted a more natural base. I'm not really into that full coverage thing right now. Don't get me wrong, there are loads of times where I will go in and do a heavy foundation, like when I go out and stuff like that, but lately, you know, quarantining, not really much to do, nowhere to go. I don't even do this that I'm doing right now, but I'm gonna do it for the sake of the video and because I actually really wanted to do this look, okay? I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl HD Pro concealer. I love this one for cream contouring. What I do is that I apply it to my cheekbones, my nose. I have no need to apply it on my forehead, but I do it anyways because I like to. I put it on my jawline. I do some on my lip and also on my eyelids as well. So I'm just gonna show you how I do that. Honestly, I think you should go in with a darker shade, but this is the only shade that I have right now. I put on my jawline. Put on my eyelids as well. Now for my nose, I like to put it on the sides of my nose to make it more narrow, thinner. I also like to put a little bit here and under my nose. Just, that's what works for my nose. I'm pretty sure you can look online and see different nose types, different contouring for different nose types, but this is what works for me, as I said. Now I go under my lip to make it, this is how what I do to make my lips look bigger. To me, that's just what makes it look more like, I kind of outline it as well. I go in with concealer now, under my eye. I used to be way more into the whole triangle under your eyes thing, but I'm so not into that anymore. Like, I'm just not, okay? I'd rather just put a little bit, and if I have to take it down with my beauty blender, I shall do that. I do highlight my forehead a little bit right here. My chin. And maybe just a little bit. And now I blend with my beauty blender. I'm gonna blend first the highlight and then I'll blend the contour. I like to take my highlight, my concealer, like up to the sides of my nose as well, not touching the contour, but just right before that. I'm gonna go in with this brush to blend out the contour. When I blend out the contour, I like to to pat on it and kind of take it up, not down, but super slightly. I don't know if you can see. And then I blend my forehead. I take it towards the hairline, but dragging it back, which is what works for me. Kind of just patting and dragging. And for the jawline, I kind of do the same thing, patting and dragging it back. And then for the eye, blend out the one in my crease. I love to contour my crease. Now I'm gonna do the other side of my face. So I said, dragging it back. What is this? If it looks a little bit messy right now, no worries. You can always fix it with powder, which is what I like to do. I'm not the most perfect, not the most precise person when it comes to doing makeup or anything really, so I like to just fix it along the way as well, but I think it's looking really nice, not gonna lie. Now I'm gonna use more like of an angled brush to blend out the one on my nose. And I use my finger to blend out the one in my mouth. That's how I cream, contour, and highlight. And now I'm gonna go in with powder. I'm gonna go in with my Honest Beauty. Now I'm gonna go in and set my face with my Honest Beauty with just super little, because this is very matte. I'm gonna go where I put my concealer, the highlighting part, and then for the bronze part I will use a contour shade. I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D contour palette. This is the shade Light Contour palette. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I really like a brush like this because I feel like it just feathers it super lightly on the face. It's not too like hard on there, so I really enjoy using a brush like this to contour. I just go over everywhere that I contoured. I'm going with an angled brush to go over the contour on my nose and on my eyelids and under my lip as well. I like to put here also because I feel like it makes my nose look a little bit more lifted up. And that's basically it for my contouring and highlighting, not gonna lie. Then I would like to go over my face with powder, just to like maybe blend everything in. So next I'm gonna bronze. I'm gonna use this Milani Pink Play Color Harmony blush palette. It's kind of like blush and a couple of highlighty shades, but I'm just gonna use the pink side. I'm gonna be using this shade right here with a little bit of the brightener, and I just apply this on a fan brush. Look at that. So wow.
I love to feather on my nose like this. For me, I love on the tip of my nose. And my finger.
And just
And just on my shoulders.
I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'll be back. Oh, this is the final result. What do you think? I'm digging it. Not gonna lie, I haven't worn this much makeup in a while. I feel super glam, super shiny, super highlighty. I love a good highlight, but mainly I am obsessed with nose highlight. Like right now I'm looking at myself in the mirror and I'm just staring at my nose. I'm like, yes, woman, yes. I would say this is more of like a light contour. I mean, I don't know if I would go heavier than this, but I know that makeup artists use a much darker shade than I did. I definitely want to play around and try to do darker contour shades and get, you know, just improve. I'm gonna be taking makeup classes soon, so I'm super excited about that. But this was fun. I love sitting here, I love filming, I love recording myself. So thank you so much for watching. You would think that this whole filming thing is like, oh yeah, you just sit down and film and everything's good, everything's chill, alright. But no, first of all, I'm talking to a freaking camera, so just right off the bat, I'm like, what the heck am I doing talking to a camera? So, honestly, it took me a while to get comfortable, but now I feel like I'm much better, I think. I don't know. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, like it, subscribe to stay tuned for more videos that I will be posting. I also ask if you want to keep watching me, you know, just ramble on and just keep posting stuff, to follow me on Instagram. I'm way more active through there, so yeah, I would appreciate. Thank you so much for watching. If you watch, thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day, night, whenever it is that you're watching this, and mwah.